Sequans dumps 970 BTC to slash debt as Bitcoin price hits 4-month low. Is this a red flag? Bitcoin Treasury, digital asset treasury. The first major Bitcoin sale by a publicly listed treasury company raises questions about timing, corporate crypto strategy, and what this move might mean for investors and the market. Journalist Hassan Shittu. About author Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated, November 4, 2025. Paris-based semiconductor firm Sequans Communications has sold nearly 970 Bitcoin, about a third of its total holdings, in a bid to cut debt and stabilize its balance sheet, becoming the first publicly traded Bitcoin treasury company to offload its reserves amid a cooling crypto market. The company announced on Tuesday that the sale has funded the redemption of 50% of its outstanding convertible debt, thereby reducing liabilities from $189 million to $94.5 million. The transaction, valued at roughly $94.5 million, trims Sequans' Bitcoin treasury from 3,234 BTC to 2,264 BTC, worth about $232 million at current prices. The move lowers its debt-to-net asset value ratio from 55% to 39%, which management described as a strategic asset reallocation. Sequans drops to 33rd largest Bitcoin holder after the recent sale. Chief Executive Officer Georges Karam framed the decision as tactical rather than a change in policy. Our Bitcoin treasury strategy and deep conviction in Bitcoin remain unchanged, Karam said. This transaction was a tactical decision aimed at unlocking shareholder value, given current market conditions. On-chain data first spotted the shift last week, when a wallet linked to Sequans transferred nearly 1,000 BTC to a Coinbase address. The company confirmed the transaction on Tuesday, saying it was part of a broader effort to strengthen financial flexibility and remove certain debt covenant constraints. Sequans stock traded around $6.20 following the announcement, down more than 56% since it began its Bitcoin treasury strategy in July. Meanwhile, Bitcoin BTC slipped below $103,000, its lowest level in more than 4 months, adding to the pressure facing leveraged corporate holders. Sequans said the debt reduction will give it more room to pursue its American Depositary Share, ADS, buyback program, issue preferred shares, and potentially generate yield on a portion of its remaining Bitcoin holdings. The firm's remaining 1,294 BTC continue to serve as collateral for its outstanding debt. The sale also dropped Sequans' position on the Bitcoin treasuries, ranking from number 29 to number 33 among public companies holding Bitcoin. The company said its latest deleveraging move provides a more prudent leverage ratio and ensures it can responsibly develop and grow its treasury with Bitcoin as a long-term strategic reserve asset. Bitcoin DAT's dreams meet market headwinds. How are they reacting? Sequans entered the Bitcoin treasury arena in June 2025, raising $385 million through debt and equity placements advised by Swan Bitcoin. The company modeled its approach after MicroStrategy's leveraged accumulation strategy, using capital market instruments to purchase Bitcoin as a balance sheet reserve. In July, Sequans added 1,264 BTC, valued at approximately $150 million, bringing its total to over 2,300 BTC at the time. The company followed that with an August announcement that it would raise up to $200 million through an at-the-market equity program to further expand its holdings, part of a long-term goal to reach 100,000 BTC by 2030. However, the timing of the recent sell-off reflects the growing financial strain facing Bitcoin treasury firms as the crypto market cools. Falling prices have eroded stock premiums, making it harder for companies to issue new equity or convertible debt to fund acquisitions. According to market data, institutional Bitcoin accumulation fell below daily mining supply in early November for the first time in 7 months. Analysts note that firms using debt to accumulate Bitcoin are particularly exposed during downturns. As Bitcoin's price drops, its stock valuations tend to fall even faster, amplifying leverage risk. Several companies, including Japan's Metaplanet and MicroStrategy, now Strategy, have adapted by shifting funding methods or buying back shares to stabilize performance. Globally, 4.05 million BTC, roughly one-fifth of the total supply, are now held in corporate and institutional treasuries, a figure that has grown 4% in the last 30 days, according to Bitcoin Treasury's data. Public companies account for nearly 60% of that total, led by US-based firms like Strategy, Marathon, and Coinbase. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions, Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference, real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders' crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Why is crypto down today? November 3rd, 2025. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Aster by the end of 2025. Why is crypto down today? November 4th, 2025. Crypto regulation news. U.S. senators push to finalize crypto market bill as shutdown standoff deepens. Report. 4 days ago, by Hassan Shittu. Price analysis. Ethereum price prediction. Rich Dad Poor Dad author warns of November crash, but ETH could soar while everything else crashes. 1 day ago, by Ahmed Balaha. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Only 2% away from a major breakout zone. Big move is about to begin. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 15 hours ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 7 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 11 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 11 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 23 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 5 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 24th, 2025, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29th, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 10 hours ago, by Ben Beto.